What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Fade. Today I got a package in the mail from So Many Waves Mystery Mix. Supposed to get a something free with it. I ordered it. Took 2 weeks. It come in. I want y'all to open it up with me. I also got a Durag from this website called Durags. My first time hearing of them. I never ordered anything from them before. I just want to compare their rags in So Many Ways Durags. And I also got a gift from my girl. I haven't looked at it yet. I'm going to look at it today. So, bear with me. Let's open up this package. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't have my free gift, but hey, the mystery mix in So Many Ways is supposed to be 10 different styles of Durags. Let's see what I got. I got the leopard print. Got a blue, navy blue with pink stitching. Long tails. Got a hot pink or purple. You tell me. Look more purple, huh? Yeah. Purple. Uh-oh. I got a two-tone, half silky, half mesh, golden mesh. Mesh side, silky side. Look like So Many Ways to improve on these straps. Got a, here go hot pink. When I'm gonna wear that, I don't know. I have nothing to go with that. It look like a Mardi Gras Durag right here. Teal, green, and purple. Canary yellow. I don't know what color this is. Cotton candy? I don't know. mesh. Mesh is good for when you're working out or you say you playing basketball. You know, your head releases a lot of heat. The holes in the mesh stop you from sweating under your do-rag. And the last one, some kind of cream color. They all feel real good. I got this red from Durags. Feel real silky. As you can see in the shine, it's a little more silky than so many waves compared to straps. Durags straps look like they might be an inch wider than so many waves. All the wavers out there know the wider the strap, the better. But so many waves, beating them by at least 3 inches on the length of the strap. And if you got a big head like me, that come into play. But Durags, it's a good durag. It feels strong, nice stitching. So many ways to step the game up. There's even so many ways even stretch a little bit. But now let's get to what else I got. Oh yeah, let's get to this gift. And y'all seen this the first time, just like me. It's a barber's cape. Because I'm currently going to Blue Cliff right now, learning how to cut hair. It's airbrush. It says, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me back up some. Cuts by J Fade. Y'all like that? I like it. Something different. Shout out to my girl for the barber cape. Put it into use as soon as possible. That's about it. I just wanted to show y'all my mystery mix from so many waves. I'm still woofing. I'm shooting for 10 weeks. Longest I ever woof was 9. I haven't got a haircut since December 31st. I might make a video on maintaining your woof. But for now, that's it, everybody. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, share the video, and stay tuned. I appreciate everybody who watching. Stay wavy, my friend.